How to download Minecraft on PC and laptop. So in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open our Microsoft Store. This is the one that we are going to be using. Now here at the top, I want you to go ahead and type here Minecraft Launcher. Now you should be able to see something like this. Go ahead and click this one. And then as you can see here, it says that using the Minecraft Launcher, you will be able to access Minecraft Java Edition, Minecraft for Windows or Bedrock, Minecraft Dungeons, Minecraft Legends, and special events like the annual Minecraft Live event. So I think this is going to be the perfect one for us. Now just go ahead and tap the install button right here. Now just go ahead and make sure to install it at the location where you want to do so, and then click the install button here. Alright, seems like it's okay. Now we're going to tap the play button, and we're just going to wait for the updater to be done. Alright, seems like it's open now. There you go. Now the next thing that we are just going to do is basically log in. So you can do so by logging in using your Microsoft account. So I'm just going to click this one right here. So what you are going to do from this point forward is head over here to the left side. Now you can go ahead and click, say for example, Java Edition, and then click the buy now in order for you to do this. The same thing with all the other Minecrafts available here. So yeah, that is how you are going to download Minecraft on PC and laptop.